Hi everybody, Misty Moranville. Misty, your STEAM teacher, just logging on to review TinkerCAD and how to um, tinker and remix other people's designs. So, tinker, we're going to do just that. Tinker means to explore and kind of experiment. So when you come on, here's how you can access your dashboard is right up here, right? The waffle, the Tinker waffle. But we're going to click on, we want 3D designs. You can also pick circuits, code blocks, and lessons, but we're going to click 3D. And then I want you to come up to the little search bar up here. Again, TinkerCAD from your iPad works better when you have your screen turned horizontal or widescreen. It just seems to work better that way. Otherwise, it loses accessibility to a lot of your features. So when you have it on your widescreen or horizontal, you can click the search. And we've been working on one of our designs for the elementary lower grades is for Heart Challenge in February. We designed a sport using really random objects like balloons and rackets and wiffle balls and duct tape and string and cups. And so the kids had to make a model and develop the rules to their game, and it had to include being healthy, and they had to write all the directions to it and build their model out of cardboard. Well, their extension was to do an online model. So we're going to do like sports arena. Actually, I don't want a sports arena. Let's do a sports field. And we're going to search and see what we get. So I have all sorts of different sports fields, and I like this one here. I'm going to copy and tinker, which means I don't want download. I'm going to copy and tinker. What this does is it's going to put it into my site, and it's going to allow me to add and manipulate. So if I had balloons, or if I had the wiffle ball, or if I had cups, I could go through and I could add those into my design. Let's say I had a stack of cups in my design. So I'm going to put a stack of cups. So the object was to knock the cups over. And let's say I had another stack of cups over here too. And so each team, I want a different color for a different team. There was a red team. Let's say there's a blue team and the cups in the middle are for whatever team. So we can really kind of manage and change our game. We had a wiffle ball that's going to need to be smaller so I can manipulate the size of the size of it. And so you can even change color. So I need to I made that 2-dimensional instead of 3-dimensional. We can navigate and see how I navigate the bottom, and I can see that that is not a 3-dimensional shape. That is not what I want. So I want to get rid of that object, and so I'm just gonna delete the object. I clicked on it and deleted that object. I want something is not right. That is not a sphere. Oh yeah, it is. We got it. That one's right. It is now 3-dimensional. So that's going to be my wiffle ball. So you can see how we can develop games. We also have this free draw tool that allows me to click and manipulate what I can type in words here, so I can actually use this tool to write and it's going to make it a 3D shape, as you can see. So it's a really fun way to tinker and explore making models or taking other remixes of other people's models and making them your own. Our school has 3D printers, so some of the designs we allow to print. The filament